Hello, everyone. Welcome to our exploration of Azure networking services, where the digital landscape meets the cloud in a seamless connection of possibilities. Join us on this journey as we delve into the key components of Azure networking services, exploring virtual networks, load balancers, VPN gateways, and much more. Discover how these powerful tools enable businesses to architect flexible, resilient, and cost effective network infrastructures that adapt to their evolving needs. But before you begin with this session, make sure that you have subscribed to our channel and clicked on this bell icon so that you may never miss an update from us. So let's start with a quick introduction of what exactly Azure Networking Services is. Azure Networking Services is like a big toolbox in Microsoft Azure. It helps people build, manage, and secure network infrastructure in the cloud. Inside this toolbox, there are tools for making virtual networks, connecting things together, keeping everything secure, and watching over what's happening. This means companies can build strong and flexible networks that fit exactly what they need. Azure networking services are the backbone of your cloud infrastructure. They ensure connectivity, security, scalability, and performance, allowing you to focus on building and deploying applications while Azure handles the underlying network complexities. Now, let's look at some of the major advantages offered by Azure networking services. First is isolation and segmentation. The virtual networks help keep different parts of your setup separate. This allows you to create smaller sections called subnets for specific jobs. Then we have security controls. Network security groups lets you manage traffic in and out very precisely, making your setup more secure. Then, scalability and flexibility. As your virtual networks can grow with your business easily, you can add new sections or extend the range of IP addresses without much hassle. Lastly, we have load balancing and high availability. Azure offers tools that spread out the workload and make sure that your app stays up and running smoothly. This means that your applications are less likely to go down. Moving on, Azure offers various network capabilities that vary based on different aspects, such as connectivity services, application delivery services, application protection services, and network monitoring services.